Hey, this is Sam. My friend over here, he's going to show you how to make a Lego coffee maker.
Hey, this is Dakota. I'm going to show you how to make a Lego coffee maker. This is my first YouTube video ever, so here I go. This is the first piece you will need. And then the second piece you will need. Alright, starts out, you set that on top like that. Second piece, or third piece, that. Attach it like that. Then you will take this yellow piece. It doesn't matter what color, but there. You will attach it like that. And then you will need this piece. Then you attach it like that. Fourth piece. Or doesn't matter what piece it is. You will attach it on like this. Then you will need this piece. Attach it on like that. Then you will take a stud. Doesn't matter what color either. You will attach it onto that. Then you will need this green flat. Attach it on just like that. Then you'll need a piece like this. Attach it on bottom, like that. Then you attach the coffee cups. I'm thirsty. Tasty. Then you have your Lego coffee maker. And try to write comments back. This is my first YouTube video ever. WWE rocks! Goodbye.